July 2007, I was a year 1 student. I met Abhi Shankara to Singapore Idol. I told him like, you know, I'd like to actually study acting, you know, hopefully can be an entertainer in one day. So he said, why not you come to my school and check it out? So I actually went down to NAFA. I saw everything there, I was like, wait, why not? And that was why I was like, you know, the 3 years I had in NAFA were the best years, and also it developed my talent. And NAFA was like a platform for me to actually make use of my creativity inside me.
My mentor, Bao Kun, told me that, you know, I know you like painting, but, you know, theatre is about painting and dancing, and I was greedy and I really want to learn more in arts, and then so I've chosen theatre. The attractive part of it is that it has a long history and a lot of grandmaster for us to, you know, idolize, to believe that one day you'll become like them. And those are really fantastic inspiration. You know, besides having the rich heritage, I think they are always constantly evolving and changing to fit into the time. To have new courses, to gather new teacher, new practitioner to be part of it, to attract the new generation of people.
For example, you tell people, oh, I'm a theatre actor. Oh, you just do acting. No, it's a lot more beyond that. To be able to go in depth into character, learn how to enunciate your words, learn the important points. All this I learned, and the arsenal was presented to me in NAFA.
It's really an academy that people come here to metamorphose into a greater self, a better artist and a better person.
The one thing you need also is confidence. The confidence to take that first step, the confidence to, you know, tell yourself, okay, I am here, let's make something out of it.
At the end of the day, when the show is being staged, you can sense that you have accomplished something really, really meaningful, and then you can hear the applause of the audience, and they really learn something from it, and you think that, oh my God, I want to do the next one.